Hello and welcome to Pert Chart Generator. This tool mainly will help you to manage your project once you enter the necessary inputs. It is constructed by two parts. These are the dashboard and the Pert Chart. So let's start with the dashboard. Use this part to create the structure of your Pert Chart. You can show or hide the instructions from here. Enter your ID, its description, its optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely time, and also optionally the phase. The duration and other time results will be calculated automatically once you add all the time data. So let's give an example. Once you enter all your data, press Create Chart button, and your chart will be created automatically. If you would like to connect your tasks in terms of next ID instead of predecessor previous ID, you may select this cell and you may select successor's next ID from the drop-down list. You can also change the settings of your Pert Chart from here. Choose if you would like to have a vertical or horizontal, full information or not, or highlight the critical tasks or not. You can also change the zoom width and the height of the shapes in the chart. Adjust the gaps if necessary, and change the connector and also the font size. You may also change the shape font color and arrow color by filling in a new color, such as if we want to paint the start on chart with the color green, all you have to do is select green from the shape color column. You may apply this all of your description, and once you're done, create chart. You can also add a new color into settings. For example, you would like to add a dark gray color into colors. Select a color name that you're not going to use. So in this case, let's choose white. Let's say, and then later fill in the new color. Now, all you have to do is select the new shape and then choose the color. Once you create a chart, it will be painted automatically. Your first color in here, which is blue at the moment, will be your default color. If you change this, you will also change the default color of the shapes in the chart. Once you're done with adjusting all of your settings, hit the Create Chart button and display your new chart. The Go to Current Chart button will take you to the Pert Chart sheet without creating the chart. On the Pert Chart section, you can make manual adjustment, such as once you're done with your adjustment, press on the button Adjust. You can get a PDF version of the chart by pressing on the Export to PDF button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.